Hello, here I am with another unboxing, but I didn't spend any money this time. So I had a very nice subscriber named Mike who reached out and he said, hey, I just bought out a glass artist and she had a lot of these molds. There were 20 of them. And so he offered to send me a few just to play with and just to pay it forward because he appreciates what I do out here and the content. So I appreciate that, Mike. Thank you very much. The package came today and I thought I would share it with everybody as I unbox it. So these are, oh, there's another one. Well, that's a surprise. I think I knew these two were coming, but I don't think I knew about this one. So these were soap dishes, and I told Mike I just don't do a lot of soap dishes, so I look forward to maybe playing and experimenting. You did a nice job wrapping those, Mike. Thank you. So yeah, here it is from Blue Fire Molds. I don't know if that's a product code 2001-2 or if that's a year 2012. Anyway, so you know, you make your blank and put it in there and slump it down. You make a little soap dish. I think as I've got holiday shows coming up, I'm eager to play with this because I think that that's something that might sell a little, it might sell well. And you could sell it as a soap dish, maybe even as a dish to hold your business cards, or, you know, maybe as a spoon rest ish, maybe as a tea bag holder or something next to the coffee machine. So so I think both of these are identical, but let's just open it up and see. And Mike, you little sneak, he showed me pictures of this and said that there were like 20 of these. So that's what I was expecting. Goodness. Let's see if I was not expecting another one, so let's see what that other one is. That's a surprise for both of us. Okay, so yeah, another one of these. So thank you, Mike, for those. Now, I'm wildly curious to see what this is. It is certainly nice to receive a pleasant surprise like this in the mail. It is absolutely not necessary. I love doing videos. Just to share the learning journey, as I say, with everybody. And I love this little community that we've had here. And so this is not expected, but certainly appreciated. Thank you, Mike. Look at that. It's just a nice little slump dish. Another one from Blue Fire, 414. So just almost like a little sushi plate. Very subtle, very, very subtle little slope to that. But that also is a great size for something like a holiday cookie dish or something. So thank you, Mike, and thank you, everybody, always for engaging with my content, for your comments, your supportive notes. I love it. I love this community, and this is a really nice surprise. So thank you, everybody. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye.